Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox Decals mobile. To begin, ensure you have a mobile device, the Roblox app, and a reliable image editing application installed. You'll also need a suitable image, ideally copyright-free, that you wish to transform into a decal. Preparing your tools and selecting the right image are crucial first steps for a smooth process. This foundational setup, including having your image ready, will save you valuable time later on in the creation process. Now that you have your image, let's prepare it. Open your chosen image editing app on your mobile device. You'll want to crop and resize your image to optimal dimensions, typically 512 by 512 pixels, for the best quality on Roblox. Ensure the background is transparent if desired, and then save your edited image in a compatible format like PNG or JPG. This step ensures your decal looks crisp and professional. With your image prepared, it's time to upload it. Open your mobile browser and navigate to the Roblox website, not the app. Log into your account, then go to the Create section. From there, select Decals. You'll be prompted to choose your image file and give your decal a descriptive name. After uploading, your decal will undergo a brief moderation process before it becomes available for use. Finally, let's talk about using your newly created decal. Once approved, you can find your decal in your Roblox inventory under Decals. Each decal has a unique asset ID, which is essential for applying it. While you upload on mobile, applying decals to objects in Roblox Studio is typically done on a computer. You can then use this ID to place your decal onto parts within your game creations, bringing your mobile design to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.